2019 Chevy Malibu 4-cylinder turbo. What we got done on it, the catalytic converter's up there somewhere. Then it's straight piped all the way back from the factory. Then there's a resonator, a baby one. And then it's 2 1/4 all the way back. And he brought it to us and we did a muffler delete on it for him with a turn down. That's how they come factory. He didn't want a tip, so we did a muffler delete. And it's a massive muffler that comes on these things right here. So we cut it off. And there it is. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 4-cylinder turbo, 2019 Malibu. That's how you get it done, boys and girls. Hope you like it, because we do. So about a week ago, he brought in this 2019 Chevy Malibu. We did a muffler delete. It wasn't loud enough, so he brought it back. And what we got done on it, still got the converter up here. It's turbo. Then 2-inch pipe all the way back, and we eliminated the resonator right there. We cut it and put a pipe in its place and continued the 2 1/4 all the way back. There's the muffler delete we did about a week ago with a turn down. Nice and clean, really beautiful. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's an LT Chevy Malibu. There it is. Man, it didn't do much. That turbo takes all the sound away. There's sound decibels. Again. And there's a shout out to him. He's a tall guy, Blondie 98. Go ahead and back it up. But not a lot, guys. That turbo takes all the sound away. And the cat too, of course. But Tennessee, we can't cut them off. It's federal. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you hear it on the inside. Chevy Malibu LT 2019. It made a difference. There's the resonator we took off right there. Give it gas again. You remember the sound decibels before? What were they?
No, I don't.
No. It peaked to like 101. Go ahead and back it out. It's a little bit better. Yeah, it made a little bit of a difference. Yeah. That turbo, man, takes all the sound away. That and the catalytic converter, you know? What? It's a little bit better. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. ...2019 Chevy Malibu, 4-cylinder turbo, muffler delete. It's clean. Chevy Malibu. Turbo. 4-cylinder. There's a Resonator. See you later, Resonator. We kick it. Let you guys hear it now. Let you guys hear when it takes off. Got a little bit more pop. It's about 20% louder than it was.